Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. You will see two nice gadgets in this video. Please do not drag the video until the end. You can get new review gadget video in this gadget channel. The video that will be shown now in electronics gadget. Necessary gadget for your everyday life. Do subscribe to gadget channel and press the bell button. Please like, comments and share. The link is given in the description below. Let's go latest gadget videos. Number 1. Zuru X-SHOT Regenerator. X-SHOT XL Regenerator from Date Blast with over 1000 unique combination. 48 dates by Zuru. Multicolor 36,351. X-SHOT Regenerator. The regenerator is the ultimate all-in-one blast, where with it multiple attachment can enable you to create over. Number 2. Bounce Zero Balloons. Bounce Zero Balloon instant water balloons. Green 3 balloons, 100 total water balloons. Fill and tie 100 water balloons in less than 60 seconds. The global kickstart sensation Bounce Zero Balloons is the hosted things this springs. Say goodbye to the start and mass of filling individual water balloons. Simply connect, fill and make 100 of water balloons and let the balloon warfare begin. Suitable for age 3+. Water balloons are then thin, small rubber balloons full with a liquid, usually water, instant of a gas, and instant to by easily break. They are usually used by children who throw them to each other, trying to get each other wet as a game competition to practice joke by forces water out the open end of a water balloon. It is possible to use it as a makeshift water gun. 3 Bounce Zero Balloons. Bounce include 35 water balloons per bounce. Bounce Zero Balloons. Bet the life of the party this summer with 100 safe selling replied fill water balloons. Safe selling full water balloons.